I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus NX 300 maintenance light. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes without needing any special equipment. First, make sure your vehicle's power is on, meaning the ignition is engaged, but the engine is not running. This will illuminate your dashboard and allow you to access the necessary menus. Next, you'll use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate the multi-information display located on your dashboard. Look for the Settings menu, which is typically indicated by a small gear icon. Once you've highlighted it, press the Enter or OK button. From there, scroll down through the options until you find and select Vehicle Settings. Now that you are in Vehicle Settings, you will need to locate the specific maintenance option. This might be labeled as Scheduled Maintenance or Oil Maintenance, depending on your vehicle's software version. Select this option. The system will then display a confirmation prompt, asking if you wish to reset the data. This is a crucial step to ensure you are clearing the correct reminder. To finalize the process, simply select Yes on the confirmation screen. After a moment, the maintenance required light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. This ensures your vehicle's service reminders are now accurate, reflecting that your recent maintenance has been completed. You've successfully reset your Lexus NX 300's maintenance light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.